Do you have an iPhone? Did you know there are loads of tips and tricks to improve your experience with the iPhone?
Think you stop me, I'm all the way up.
Hey yo, how's it going? My name is Zach. Today I'll be showing you 10 iPhone tricks that you didn't know that exists in your phone but you don't use it. And if you do use these tricks and tips, I guarantee you your experience with the iPhone will be so much better and easier. So this video is part 2. In this video I'm going to show you some really nice iPhone tricks and tips that you didn't know, and this is actually really good because some of this I didn't even know, and now that I do, it makes life so much easier. And let's get to the video. Alrighty, so this iPhone trick I've knew for a long time, and it's pretty cool. If you want to rearrange or create a folder of certain apps very fast, so let's put certain apps in together very fast. So I would want camera, so you just tap and hold on the app to make it go into wiggle mode, or if you got iOS 14, tap anywhere else and then you wiggle. And then we want to put photos and camera together. So what you want to do is you just drag a little bit and then tap on the photos app as you just saw, and then it just sort of rearranges it as well, so it brings it closer. So you can use this both ways. And then if you want, let's say I would want weather to be down here as well, so I'll just grab it and then tap on that one, it comes down, or tap a few of them, it's pretty cool. You can do this all day, or you want to move it around, and then let's say you just grab and move all these apps to the end here. Instead of dragging one by one, you can drag 10 of them at once. And if you want to create a folder, you can too. So you create a folder and then you can just drop it in. So that's how easy it is to rearrange your apps as well. So that was pretty cool features. Did you ever want to hide your photos? You would be like, yeah, I can already do that. It's a folder. Yeah, that's exactly right. There's a folder and everyone can see it. But I'll show you a trick where you can actually hide it. So let's just go into, I don't know, this photo, and then I want to hide the board. I don't want nobody to see the board. And then you just go here and then go crop, and then you really crop your photo to like ridiculous amounts. And if you want to, you can even zoom in, and it's just a white box. Nobody wants to see a white box here. See, just a sky. Nobody cares about a sky. If people is really fast and you want to go sky, but when you want to go back and actually show it, press revert. Boom! Now you can see the surfboard. Evidence provided. Okay. Alrighty, so this next feature is to do with the iPhones, and whenever you want to send a photo or anything to someone, it's good to turn certain things off, like location and live mode off, because it sends extra data and you don't want people to know. So whenever I do these things, I actually, let's just say this photo is live, I just go into edit, and then I go inside live, and then on top left corner, and then you tap on live and you can turn it off and then save. And then live is off at the moment. And then when you share your photo, and then you can go options and then make sure you turn location off, which can save you a lot of trouble. Okay, so another cool feature that I use often is in the timers app. So I'm like, whenever I want music to stop playing at a certain time, let's say you're going to sleep and you have music on or something, whatever your case may be, and you want it to stop for after a certain time, you can. So to set this up, you go into clocks, and then you go into timer, and then you set your timer to 2 minutes, and then you go here, swipe down to the bottom, and then stop playing, and then set. So whenever and then start. So whenever your music's playing, after 3 minutes, it will stop playing. So that's how cool this feature is, and it's very, very handy. When timer ends, stop playing. There you go. So that's how that works, and it's very handy and very easy. And if you are listening to music as you're falling asleep, this is perfect. Set it up for half an hour, a minute, 10 minutes, 10 hours, there's limits, so you can do that. This is a really cool, awesome trick. Right. So if you swipe from the left side, you can see all my notifications. So these are all like stacked differently, and we can change and rearrange it however you like. So if you go into the settings, and then we'll go into notifications, and then you can see you can of course turn the notification off, or sometimes you don't want your notification to be shown on the screen. You can say the screen, don't show it on the screen, but show it in the notification center. Sometimes you don't want to see the notification center, but you want to see it on the lock screen. So you can just swoop it around and you get the idea. You also can get notification grouping. So this is the actual trick that I want to talk to you guys about. So notification grouping, so you can go automatic or group by the app or turn off. You don't want to group it at all. So it will just show one by one, or you can group it by the app and it just creates a stack for you. Just like that. See, this one creates a stack, this one creates a stack, this one creates 2 stacks. So if you tap on it, it opens both. So you can go show less and it will show less, or you can go in each individual app and you can set it the way you want. So in Gmail at the moment it has everything on, and if you go notification grouping and we turn notification grouping off, see what happens. See, right now it's displayed one by one, whether if we go in and turn by the app, it stacks them together and makes it nice. And anything to do with, so it even goes back in like 3 days until Friday, 4 days, 5 days, and it stacks it all together. Or you go automatic. With the automatic one, what happens is it only stacks your most recent one, like let's say from today. And that's just an easy notification hack for you guys, trick that you can actually, have it stacked or not stacked. If it's not doing automatically, then you can do it as well. Okay, this next trick is very simple. Is like if you've got a lot of if you're not using your iCloud properly, if it's empty space there, then if you're running out of space on your phone, like I do all the time, there's an easy trick. You can actually get your photos backed up to iCloud automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing it. So all you do is literally go into your settings, and then you click on the top of your iCloud, and then after that, and then you go to iCloud, and then in iCloud it says photos on. So you want to make sure photos like shared albums on, or you can save most of your photos if you need space in your phone, then you can automatically set that to but you can if you have space. So if you want to add a few photos just quickly before deleting it, then you can add it to iCloud, and then you do that. That's an easy, quick, handy trick for you guys there. Okay, so this next iPhone trick is to do with your custom sounds. So you can set a custom sound or custom haptic feedback for a certain contact that you have in mind, which we're going to show you how to do. So you want to go settings, you want to go sound and haptic, and then you want to go into ringtones, and then we're going to go to vibrations, and then after vibration we're going to go create a new vibration. So you tap your screen 1 2 3 4 5 and you hold it. You want to save this, and we'll save it as so we just save a test. Yeah, so now that it is saved here as custom as test. Okay, after you set up your sound, the next step is to assign it to a contact. So you would go into your phones and find a contact you want to, and then you want to say edit, and then after you do the editing part, and then you go to the ringtone section, and then you would want to go to vibration, and then you want to scroll down, and it is already set to test. So when this person calls, and this custom vibration will go off, even if you're not looking at the screen or the phone's in your pocket, you'll feel and know who this person is. Alrighty, so this next iPhone trick is really cool. You don't ever have to type in your email address again if it's a long one. So I'll show you how to do this. Alrighty, so this is how you set it up. You go into your settings, and then you go general, and then underneath general you find keyboard. After keyboard you write text replacement, and then here I already got THX, so thank you very much, I really appreciate it. Or you can add another one, and the phrase is gonna be your email address, so like blah da 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 da, and then you go, I don't know, people's got complicated, complex email addresses these days. So if that was your email address, then the phrase is gonna be the phrase is going to be email, and then we save it, and then we go here, and then we go to notes, and then if you want to write your email, so you just write email. Guess what? There you go. The phrase pops in, just write that. That's really cool and easy, handy. And I will just go to the comments as he said sick, and then I'll just write THX. Look, it comes up. Thank you so much. Look, all I had to do. Alrighty, so that's how you use text replacement, and it makes your job a whole lot easier. So and by the way, if you do have TikTok, make sure you go follow me as well. Zach Shots I do post a lot of photography here as well, and I do have a this channel has a TikTok as well, so you can follow that as well if you want. Tech 4K Pro. Okay. Okay, so this iPhone feature, or I'd call it, is a little bit of a iPhone trick for your location and where you've been, or if you want to know where someone's been or anything, you can actually go in and see where they've been from certain time to certain time. You can easily do this, so this is good in a good way for some people who've got kids or something, in a bad way if you're in a relationship and stuff, you know what I'm saying? But either way, let's go in and I'll show you, this feature of the iPhone. And if you don't want it, or if by learning this now you know, then you can turn it off so other people can look where you've been. Well, if you want to have it on, then have it on and keep it a secret from those who don't know. Up to you, but this is how it is set up, or it is already on. So you'd go settings, and then you would go into privacy, location services, and then you scroll all the way down to the bottom, system services. After system services, you would go to significant locations, and then mine is on at the moment. You need your Face ID, and then so now it tells you literally all the location I've already been in. So like it is amazing how far it keeps the history. So I even the Gold Coast, like there you go, it says that's my home, I've been there. So this is the 3 spots that I've lived. These have been my home. See this home, I lived there, I lived there. So these are all different spots, and then 53 times here. So it will actually tell you the exact address, so you can see, but you can go edit and stuff as well if you need to. But you can turn this off as well to save battery as well if you need to, because there's a lot of stuff here that iPhone uses. It's getting very smart. But yeah, that's that, and hopefully use it in a wise way. Alrighty, so whenever someone asks you to send a scan of a document or whatever application, whatever the case may be, and then you can easily literally scan it with your iPhone and then send it as a PDF. So I'll show you how this works. So in order to get it going, you need to go into your notes and then long press and then scan document, and then we are just gonna position your view. So we'll just position it there. There you go. It's very smart actually. Yeah, maybe I should. It's scanned already. So I didn't do anything, literally. This is really cool. Like I'm doing this live with you guys here. So if I want to send this to my friend, I would just do this. That's the part of the document, and then you wait. It just does everything automatically, and then you just say save. These are the documents. Like literally, look how clear it is as well. Like I've got it right here for you guys. You can fill it out and it's just there as well. So once you're done with this, all you do is done, and then it's in your notes. You can keep it in your notes, or you can just go here and then share it as PDF. So share, and then you can share it to whoever you want and save it as well. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate you guys sticking through to the end. If you haven't seen part 1, please hit the I here, and that will take you to part 1, or the playlist that I will feature part 1, part 2, part 3, as many as I can in this iPhone tips and tricks series that I'm doing. If you've got any other hidden features that I don't know or I didn't mention in this video, please comment it down below and I'll look through it and I'll make another video. This series is about the iPhone tips and tricks. We can do it together. You will tell me, and I will make the videos and I will show you, and everyone else can learn as well. And hopefully this iPhone tricks will help you better use your iPhone. So thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much. I really do appreciate your support. And if you aren't, please make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Whenever I release a new video, you'll be able to see it first. And also, give this video a like, comment your favorites from this video, comment anything you want me to feature in the future, comment your opinion. Let's start a conversation with me below. I'd love to have a chat with you. With that being said, thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next one.